All along, nikipangia hii hike, the question has been, is it long or not? Because we all know it's long or not, but hey, is it long or not? Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, I just found out just how long this shit is. I am a walker, not a climber, bwana. What did I get myself into? But hey, got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, yeah.
This was supposed to be a postponed event. After the guys we were to experience it with together withdrew in the eve of it for their own personal reasons, promising to find a more suitable time. But I had nothing better to do, so I said, why not? And then, boom!
Traffic jam. Check.
The idea of this came after I walked from Limuru town to Naivasha in 9 hours a couple of months ago as a challenge to myself. And in celebration of it, I found out that I got a liking for hiking. I had done Gong some years back, so Longonot was to be next. To tell you the truth, I was excited, but I wasn't ready for what was to unfold.
The sun is shining. The weather is good. I'm about to go climb Mount Longonot. Remix. It's a remix, baby. I'm excited. I am excited. Time 9:11. Finally made it, and here I am, already checked in, got my ticket, and here we are, Kwabatarim, and I got my stick.
having a good time walking pamoja na watu wengine, alafu wakafika the break point. Si break point as wameshindwa, no, like to take a break. Siwezi simama na wao eti you wako group flani, I think ni chama flani, so I can't just be there with them. I have to, since me nimekuja solo, I have to move on. And then all of a sudden silence hits. Then I'm like, oh shit, am I really secure? But nimemulika huko mbele, since ni mlima, you can see uko juu. I saw other people, so yeah, niko sawa. Nitawafikia tu. We go. We keep on keeping on. Kwa hiyo no kuodera hii hata kirori. Hata kibedi fodi. Kuna ile song ya Led Zeppelin, Staircase to Heaven. I know how to live. That's where. Woo. Be careful, my nigga. Be careful. That's me talking to me. I have to do all that. I'm almost there. What's that? That could be the peak. Maybe. I wasn't prepared for this kind of view. This is crazy. Massive.
For it, what? 2 kilometers.
Now the next goal is to go all around. Alafu nitokeleze pale hivyo. Just there. Back to here. At the very beginning. Then after that now we go back all the way down. So let's do this.
Tegera mweka wako ni negera guko ni kwa ni gudachara federa KIAMBAA MUGGA